Hi everyone, sometimes PlayStation 4 overheats. It is a problem. Overheats and causes problems. If you want to open it, you won't find any screws around. Keep turning it, no screws. But the trick is, if you come here, the screws are behind the sticker. Remove the screw. Another sticker here. Remove the sticker, keep them somewhere. Then I already removed this one, so you can see the screws 1, 2, 3, and the bottom one removed, and I can see another sticker is hiding behind here. Okay, I dropped it, so here is it. I removed this one from here, so it was something like this. Let me see, something like this. So to remove it just like that, then you can reveal the screws, and you need precision screwdrivers, something like this, precision screwdrivers to test heads. Which one works for you? For me, this is just perfect. I find it. So now I am removing the screws. Keep them somewhere safe, otherwise you lose them, you won't find them. This is one. Safe, not here. Safe is somewhere here. Keep them safe. Open the other one. Hold on, camera. So open this one. Magnetic screwdriver. I dropped it still. Magnetic, but I'll find it later. And here is it. I found it. Though it's magnetic, you might lose it still. Keep it safe there. Open the other one. Magnetic screwdriver. And keep it there. Now it comes next stage to open it and see what's inside. Try pull slowly, otherwise you break the case. And here is it open. Oh, I can see the dust now. It is very dusty. So what to do now? Give it a good clean, either with a small hoover, would be perfect idea. Then test it again. Then we'll assemble it later and I'll give it a good clean. Hopefully things will work. Thank you. So the fan is kind of clean, I can see that. Further measures is to open this case from here and see what's underneath. Hopefully something will be beneficial. So follow me. You have 1, 2, 3 screws. With a precision screwdrivers, you can use them to find which one fits your screws. And open this one, and then open this one and this one. And there is a small arrow showing you where the screws are. There's an arrow here, shows the screw is there. Another one here showing you the screw is there. Another one going to an angle showing the screw is there. Then another one showing the screw is there. And a fifth one here showing where the fifth screw is. So I opened 3, this is the 4th one. This is a long screw, keep it apart. I expect the 5th one to be the same long screw. Let me try. these two screws have handles. You can handle them with this handle and pull them up. Keep them there. So 3 small screws and 2 big ones, 2 long ones. Now let's start. I have managed to remove now the 5 screws from the case covering the power supply unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 in each corner and 1 in the middle. I will try to remove the covering of the power supply unit. Watch me. Let me try. Slowly. Yeah, remove this. Yeah, it's connected. Have some connectors there. Make sure you don't break them. And I can see the dust. It is very dusty. So this dust has to be cleaned. And we take it from there. Thank you. Now I am holding the flat out. Power supply unit with a hoover. And hold on to this. The fan starts spinning. It shows that I'm hovering up to the fan. Thank you. Fan spinning. I'm giving it a good clean, good hoover, suck all dust from there. And Sufyan is helping me by doing nothing, actually. Helping me just by holding the phone. Nice and clean.